welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another project video. I'm at home with Jakey, keeping an eye on him. As you can see, he's a little bit fed up with his cone. So this is where I'm going to be doing my carving while Jakey lies on the rug over there. I'll get started, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much as always. So I'll see you on the other side. I hope you like the end result. I'm not sure what it's going to turn out like because this is the first time I'll be doing this design. And yeah, that's it. So this is the couple of blanks that I got with me. This is the one I'm going to be using. So we'll go ahead, test this out and see how we get on. That seems sharp enough for now. I'm going to be rough cutting, so I'll need to resharpen again anyway. So I'll just bring this down to size. I think I'm going to have to put some markings on you because it's the first time I've done this type of knife. I feel like I need to get a pencil, so we'll do that. Jake, no eating the shavings. I've got most of the handle done now. I've taken a lot of the waste off and it fits comfortably in my hand now. So I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to start working on the blade. Not sure how that's going to go. Yeah, we'll just have to see how that goes, and then once I've done that, we'll just clean up any of the knife marks and put some finish on it. So it's a new day. The knife is almost done now. As you can see, it's got the thin blade on there. I've just worked it off. So that's how it's looking. The next thing to do is just take off any of the sort of rough grain that's on there with the knife. I'm leaving it as a knife finish. I'm not going to be using any sandpaper. So you will get the tool marks all over. So it's just about taking off any of the little bits now that need refining, and that'll be it. We'll put some finish on it and you can see the final shots of the knife. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave some comments down below, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to see more videos like this one. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.